Your digital marketing is failing because you're focused on the wrong thing. It's not your ad budget, and it's not a lack of effort. The hard truth is that over 70% of small business digital campaigns fail to make any real money. Why? Because everyone is obsessing over the wrong stuff. You're worried about which platform to use, Facebook, Google, TikTok, and trying to create flashy ads that get a ton of clicks. But clicks and impressions are just vanity metrics. They don't pay the bills. The real problem, the one most agencies and business owners completely miss, is the offer itself. Your offer is the engine that powers everything. If your offer is weak or doesn't connect with what people actually want, no amount of ad spend will save it. You can't sell something nobody desires. The secret isn't some new tool or complicated trick. It's about aligning three critical pieces: your offer, your audience, and your funnel. Your offer has to be irresistible to a specific audience. Your funnel needs to guide that audience on a smooth journey from curious to converted. One coaching business was struggling to fill its program. Instead of tweaking ads, they fixed their offer and launched a simple referral campaign. They sold out in 2 weeks. So, before you burn another dollar on a campaign, stop. Take a hard look at what you're actually selling. Is it truly compelling? Fix the offer first, everything else will follow.